are you doing? You having fun?
I have sushi and I have sushi.
You have Tucci?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, can you show me run it when you run on it? Get your ice fix? It never came out, I don't think. I think it's still in there. Hey, can you roll down the hill here for me? Right here. What happened?
Let's keep this on.
Man, you got more sand on you than Hapuna Beach.
Yeah.
Roll down that hill, roll this way. Can you climb up there? You gonna roll this way? Come on this way. No, this way. Come on. There you go. Oh. Hey, you got a face full of sand?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think you do. You're a funny boy. So, Jack tells me this is what you guys are going to build in your backyard.
Yeah.
Yeah. He says you'll be the first one to camp out in it. Hey. Careful. Say aloha from Hapuna Beach. See you later.